Hello everybody, my name is Dylan Clifford and this is my signature assignment, Individuals in Society. This was recorded on November 21st, 2020. To start off, I go into speaking about the coronavirus and all the different problems that happen with the unemployment and our current situation that is going on, and how a lot of people are losing jobs, a lot of people aren't able to work, a lot of people aren't able to go to school, and a lot of people aren't able to do certain things as they wish they could because of this pandemic. I then go into speaking about the theories and policy and structure that I found in our library's database and all the different unemployment cases that emerge out of the blue. I speak about the coronavirus and how it's been around for a year or so, and people are losing their jobs and they're unable to work and to take care of different people. If we all work together, as I stated right here, and do the same thing as one another, it would be a lot better, which would make it to where we would be able to go back to living our lives as normal. I go on to talking about my argument and the different points and showing how everything turned out. I then speak on the coronavirus and how it is a great example because some people do not like using masks and other people do like using masks, and if you're in a public space you do need to use a mask, but if you're at home you do not need to wear a mask because you're in your own space. I then go on to talk about poverty that was inside of our assignment, and I go to speak about how people cannot really support themselves due to this coronavirus that is going around. And I go back to then talking into the coronavirus, and it does not really help anyone. It only takes jobs from people, and people cannot keep their businesses open due to the fact that they are not allowed to stay open. I then go into speaking about poverty and how it is a big piece in the United States, and looking at all the different sites and articles it shows and what people are all going through. I found some more articles inside of our Brandman library, and this one was called Unemployment, Economic, Political, and Social Aspects. I found this one to be extremely interesting because it speaks on the different topics of unemployment, whether it's economical, political, or social. And especially with the election that just came around, a lot of it can be political and economical, all kinds of different things. And in conclusion, there are many different ways in which people can make a difference, and it all starts with individuals, because if one person doesn't decide to cooperate, then it'll be a problem for everybody in the long run. And especially with this coronavirus, it can be spread very easy, and if someone does not wear a mask, it can be a really big problem because you can potentially spread it to different people, especially older people who are more prone to being more sick than, say, younger people. And these are my resources down here that I found. One of them was online, and the next two were in our library. Thank you guys so much for all listening. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys all on Wednesday. Thank you.